Alright guys, so we're gonna go pick up the next piece that's gonna be in the virtual speed performance stable. Yep, I guess open the door, we're home now. Blondie's home. Or barfly, or I don't know what it's called.
Lakeland hooker.
The Lakeland hooker. Here's the old Lakeland hooker.
I wonder if that full cell would fit up front.
I don't know why it wouldn't. Well, what do you think? It does look like a Honda shift. Let's see. Definitely a lot different than the Mustang. Now you look at the Mustang compared to this, you're like, rough. What we're thinking right now is just this A-arm is bent. Something on there.
Had radios at one time.
Radios?
Near the pocket for the radio.
Damn. That's pretty cool. And if all this could be fixed. So we have the wing and stuff all in the trailer. There's the side of it. Got the it's got wheelie bars. Honestly, the wheelie bars might be okay other than right here. Either remake this or see if I could get another piece from like Cassie Engineering or something. It's got a Barry Grant fuel pump in it and a filter. What is this, a 400? I'm gonna assume that's a 400. Looks like a 400. Pretty big fuel cell. It's got like a fire, some sort of fire system. Got a auto meter, sport comp monster stack. Sucks it ain't like a shift light or recall, but it's okay. Some gauges, some auto meter gauges. I had to push on over here. This looks like a glass dash, which is nice. Got the mirror in the back right there for bracket racing. So here's the rear glass. We'll probably put some new Lexan in there. That's the deck. There's a radiator. Had a pretty big radiator on it. There's a bracket car. The hood looks fine. You know, maybe a little Bondo and glass repair. And then here's the hood scoop. Probably just get a new scoop, honestly. Maybe, I don't know. I mean, it definitely looks like it could be fixed, but... I definitely feel, I feel like Gigantor in here, man. I feel big. Oh shit. Even if I sit up straight, I wonder how it would be with my helmet. Up here we got an ARC switch panel. I don't really know what this does. Nitrous purge. Turn the nitrous on. I'm just gonna, I guess that button, I don't know what this button does. Bang it to the motor. They had like a delay box, a Pro Cube up there. Like a shift light here. I don't know what that thing is. That's got the old Summit logo. That's before my time. Some phantom gauge and a couple of phantom gauges, a Pro Comp gauge. Train brake button. We got another phantom gauge, another phantom gauge. some sort of fire system, a fan. Here's the MSD stuff. 7AL2. Got a RPM activated switch, a 3-step RPM module selector, another RPM module selector, a start retard control box. Well, we got the deck lid on it and the wing on it. Got the back glass in it, kind of just, you know, mocking it up, you know, kind of just new boot goofing. It needs a parachute. Classy guy. Hung up right here. There you go. Nice. Cool. I mean,
Coming around already, ain't it?
yeah, she is. Yeah, it is. It is pretty badass. But I don't know, man.
I think it's gonna take some work, but I think we can make it a fucking hot rod again, man.
I think we can make it a hot rod too. I'm excited. I'm excited.
Still one of my all-time favorite body styles.
Yeah. Yeah. It is a good looking body style.
Oh man.
Especially as like a low slung door car, you know.
My thought was to take both them A-arms off and take them to somebody and say, fix that. I think if you look at the way the suspension is done,
Yeah.
this is like a strut type setup down here.
Right.
And then they did that tubular A-arm with this here. So it's kind of a hybrid suspension that somebody made. That's why I really don't think this is a store-bought suspension.
No, it's
I
custom.
don't think anyway, because you can't find these fucking A-arms.
No, I've looked, you know, I've looked everywhere.
And somebody makes everything.
Yeah.
Nothing is, you don't dig a fucking A-arm out of the ground.
So we got some of the MSD stuff out, the MSD box and modules. Got the switch panel out. All right, guys, so it's getting cold. It's getting colder, and the sun's going down. And so I think that'll pretty much do it. Hey, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think?
I like it, man.
Yeah?
I like it just bad.
It is. It's pretty cool. Anyway, that'll do it for this video. I thank you guys for watching.